I'm Abdelkadar, a Tunisian research scientist, and I'm the first resident with OceanX Education. My project was to build seagrass stories with immersive media. We build a whole habitat with animals, with the plant, so people feel and understand what we do to restore and to conserve the seagrass. It was a good place to meet people from all the world. Each visit here to Ocean Explorer, I contact with the new people with different perspectives. The young explorers, they come with the curiosity, they are ready to learn. When they ask questions, this also add new things to think about, to meet people from different fields like artists, scientists, from the technology, XR, VR. This will change the whole story, I think. My PhD, there is the classic part of marine ecology, and now with the residency and with OceanX, we bring a whole new perspective, which is the technology. I will use it to showcase what I do under the ocean. It will be more immersive and more emotional. It's a new thing to mix between the science, technology, and culture. This will help me a lot in my PhD and my future research too.